Okay, so one, yesterday's Bad Batch episode was very short, very sweet. Two, I had an incident. We had a house incident a couple weeks ago. One of our pipes burst, water pipe in our basement, and that's where my media room is, so everything is gone. Okay, they had to like, you see this? You see it? I'm hurt, I'm sad, I just started with my journey and I have this little hiccup, you know, and I'm just trying here, fuckers. You know, it's bad, it's crazy. It's everywhere in the basement. It's on the other side, in the theater room.